In this exercise, we are going to create a new schema and we will create new tables inside that schema based on CSV files. If you are using this training instance, you already have access to these CSV files. We are going to use countries, customers, products, and sales one CSV files to create new tables inside sales schema. There are two ways you can create new schema in Encarta. First one is just click on new, specify schema name. Make sure your schema name starts with your user ID. And I'm just showing you how to create schema manually, but we will use schema wizard to create new schema. So let's call it S1 sales. And to create a new table, because this is based on a flat file, click on file systems, select local files as a data source. And then from here, when you click on select, Encarta will show you all the flat files that your user ID has access to. If you click on products and click on add, Encarta is going to detect all the columns inside that flat file, and it will create a new table with all the column names listed here. But I don't want to create schema manually like this because I have 4 different tables. So let's use schema wizard. That will be much more easier. So let me just delete this. And let's use schema wizard to do that. So when you click on new, you will see entry for schema wizard as well. Let's call it S1. Again, start your schema name with your user ID. And data source is local files. Click on next. Here it shows me a list of all the flat files that my user ID has access to. I'm going to select customers. Then let's go back and select products. Let's go back and select sales one and select countries as well. Okay. And then click on next and finalize it. So schema name is S1 sales. These are the table names. Now let's just check one more thing before we start loading data. This is really important because in the sales1.csv there is a column called, you can search column name right from here, time ID, and this is the column for date, sales date. Now what I wanted to check was the date format specified here is correct or not. So you can specify the date format for the table. So for example, it is date format is automatic. Okay. So date format is automatic. We are good. Otherwise, you can specify date format manually. Okay. Make sure the date format matches what you have in the file. So here this is automatic. So Encarta has detected the date format, and because data type has been detected as date here, right? This is date. Otherwise, this will be string or something else or text. Now, next step is let's go ahead and load data. Do a full load. Now, sales1.csv here, the date format here is dd -mmm-YY. Now again, I want to make sure date format is correct, so I'm going to click on explore and let's go to that table, sales 1, and this is time ID here. And let's save this. Now if I order it by time ID 12:30:10 and 110, sorting it correctly, so everything looks fine. Okay, so there you go. We have S1 sales schema. Inside this we have 4 tables and we have loaded data, almost 1 million records. In the next exercise, we'll create join between these tables.